Today we are going to talk about had to. Had to is a second form of have. Had to we use in the past when we talk about a bit compulsion for the past. Like what did I do in the past so I can do present. Like I had to go to school. It's my compulsion to go to school because I did not want to go to school but I had to go. मतलब मुझे जाना पड़ा. So compulsion have to and past had to. Had is a second form of have. In the past we need a second form, so we just need to had to only for the positive. So just we are going to ahead and we will look like second form, like negative examples and formulas also. In a positive way we just have a formula like a subject plus had plus to plus v1. V1 is called verb की first form plus object. In these examples like I had to study, I did not want to study but I had to study. मतलब मैं करना नहीं चाहता था लेकिन करना पड़ा. Next, she had to cook. She did not cook, yeah, she had did it because she had a compulsion what she did in the past, so she had to cook the food. You have to cook, you had to tell, and you had to tell it means you have to inform about it. मतलब बताना पड़ा. In the sense of Hindi we just need पड़ा. He had to jump, उसको कूदना पड़ा. I don't know about where did he from jump it. So it's like a positive, and you can say like formula subject plus had plus to plus v1 plus object. We use had to for the positive way because we need a second form in the past, and we will go ahead like a negative subject formulas and examples. Please keep it up in this session. In this session formula like a subject plus did not plus have to plus v1 plus object like a negative. For examples like I did not have to study, that's something wanted not to. मतलब जो कुछ मुझे नहीं करना पड़ा. Like that I did not have to study, मुझे नहीं पढ़ना पड़ा. Like she didn't have to cook, उसे खाना नहीं बनाना पड़ा. Like these sentences are making you didn't have to tell it, मुझे नहीं बताना पड़ा. In this last we session like I had you had to tell, बताना पड़ा. But in this sentence you did not have to tell, मुझे तुम्हें नहीं बताना पड़ा. Like fourth one is he didn't have to jump it, उसे कूदना नहीं पड़ा. Like a negative sense we are talking about this. So when we talk in a question way like a interrogative, you say in a grammar according to grammar, and this is formula like a did plus subject plus have to plus v1 plus object in question mark also. And did not the contracts form of didn't, you can say like short form. So it's a way of asking question something else. Like did you have to study, क्या तुम्हें पढ़ना पड़ा. And did she have to cook, क्या उसे बनाना पड़ा. And did they have to speak, क्या उसे बोलना पड़ा. And did he have to go, क्या उसे जाना पड़ा. These sentences are show asking the question, and it's in. And now after the interrogative we are talking about the WH family. Just we listen to this thing: who, how, when, whom, whose, why, what. Like these sentences we listened in a whole day. This these are words to ask additional information about the any kind of sentence and about the any kind of phrasal verbs. Like formula, WH family plus did plus subjects plus have to plus v1 plus object. Always we have to use the have to plus v1 when we talk about the negative, interrogative and WH family like a question word, question and question. So we did not use to have to, we can't use had to. We can use only had to in the positive sentence because in the positive in the past we use have to in a second form. And this is formula. So today we are going to hit the examples. Like examples, why did you have to study, तुम्हें क्यों पढ़ना पड़ा. In this sentence we are talking about क्यों पढ़ना पड़ा. Basic the major reason. How did she have to cook, खाना कैसे बनाना पड़ा. We are talking about the उसको खाना कैसे बनाना पड़ा. What did they have to tell, उसे क्या करना पड़ा. And where did he have to jump, उसे कहाँ से कूदना पड़ा. like why, क्यों, and like how, कैसे, and what it means क्या, and where it means कहाँ. So what did you have to study, and how did she have to cook, and what did they have to tell, and where did he have to jump at, कहाँ से कूदना पड़ा, क्या करना पड़ा. These are